5 riffs by the Hives. I cannot play number 5 at all, so make sure you watch till the end of the video if you want to see me squirm. But we're starting with Tick Tick Boom. A5 power chord to a B power chord at fret 5 and 7. And then it's the same frets but a string down for an E5 power chord and a D5 power chord. Flatten off your third finger to play this style of power chord where we hit down 3 strings with 2 fingers, so 5, 7 and 7, which will enable quicker changes but to still play the octave of the root note, which tends to be how the Hives play power chords. So it's 1 strum of the A, 3 strums of B, 1 strum of the E, 3 strums of the D. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next up, if you know the Hives, you will know, hate to say I told you so, let's learn to play it. We start off with a D major bar chord at the 10th fret, 10, 12, 12, 11, moving to the C. So slide that down 2 frets to 8, 10, 10, 9. When we move to root 5, it's just a power chord. So those 2 fingers, 3 and 4, move down a string. And then the final chord is a B flat down at the 6th fret, 6, 8, 8, and 7. Between each move, we just hit the open strings. That's 2 strums of the D, open. 3 strums of the C, open. 3 strums, open. And then the rest of the bar, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then an open to repeat the riff. The opens sound really crazy when you play it slowly, but at speed, and then it's a 3rd fret power chord, it's a G, Next up, I'm going to use my looper pedal to play the bass line, and we're going to be playing bar chords with a root on the 6th string, and then when we move to string 5, it's power chords, which is a technique that the Hives employ throughout their back catalogue. To play that riff on guitar, it's an E bar chord, but we don't actually have to bar when we're playing these bar chord shapes. We're not playing the thinnest 2 strings, so it's a mute with the bottom side of the 1st finger, holding down the root note at fret 12 of string 6, 14, 14, 13, 2 strums of that, move it down 2 frets, and it's 1 strum. Then again a power chord, a string down from where we started, so at 12 and then to 10. Then it's a full A major chord, not having to hold down string 1, we just need that string 2 to ring out, and then the little finger hits to play those last 2 notes. No sound in between when you're moving. Keep it nice and clean, especially with lots of fuzz and overdrive. Relax your fingers and mute with the outside of the palm of your hand. Super slow one last time. And that riff on the bass, just so you can create the same loop that I did using a ditto looper is the one I'm using. It is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So if I was to create the loop really slow, 2, 3, 4, tap, tap. So that is not playing on beat 1. Quick bonus riff from Bad Nerves, who are supporting the Hives on their UK tour at the time of releasing this video. This is Baby Drummer. That's a B bar chord at the 7th fret, going 9, 10, 12, 10, 12, 10, 10, 12, 10. If you like the Hives, you should like that, but let's check out one from the Hives' latest album. This is Bogus Operandi. This is one of my favourites. 5, 7, 7, 5, 7, 5 on string 6 and 5. Same thing again. 5, 7, 7, 5, 7, 5. Then 7, I think it's a slide down to 3, so 7, 3, 5, 7, 5, 5, 5, 7. Same riff again. So the main riff, 5, 7, 7, 5, 7, 5. Same again. Little bend up on 5 maybe. 7, slide to 3. 5, 7, 5, 5, 5, 7, 7, 7, 5, 7, 5. 2, 3, 4, and. Main Offender by the Hives uses a D power chord at the 10th fret, 8, 10 on string 5, which is a F to a G, A power chord at 5th fret, root 6 to 6, which is an A to a B flat, skipping down a string to fret 8, back to A, and then the main move, that mainly finishes every one. Get that one first. Make sure that's one you can do first, because the second one is a bit crazy. It starts off the same, then goes to the F chord the same, and then that's the finish of it. So after the first part, let's just go from there for the second part. It's so hard. Crazy. Trying to get that smooth. One technique I'm using to try and get that as smooth as possible, even though I'm not there yet, is keeping the fingers as close to the strings as possible, basically sliding from one string to the other. And if you can't get this riff, try the bass line first. It makes a lot of sense as a bass line. As a lot of great riffs do, and then try and play it with power chords. Let's try and play it up to tempo. That's as close as I could get. Let me know how you got on with those in the comments below. Do you know any more challenging power chord pieces or bar chord pieces? Let me know where you're at on guitar. I'll leave these videos up here for you now, which I think you will enjoy. Hope to see you next time.